back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back.
Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to your girl's YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome or welcome back, you guys. So I realized when I was filming this video that I'm editing right now, I did not record no intro, and this is like basically the video where I didn't talk the whole video and I like recorded what's it called, fixing my old wig, or like reventing my old wig or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this clip to it. And thank you guys for almost reaching 1K. Like, we're almost at 1K, and I'm so thankful and so grateful to you guys. Y'all don't even understand. But we're gonna just go ahead and get straight into this little wig install where I didn't say a single word at all. Well, I did, because I was recording 2 videos, mind y'all. I was recording a promotion video for TikTok for Dollar Hair Lace Glue. So I was just, you know, I needed to make content for YouTube also. So I'm like, might as well, you know, record it behind the scene and add a little clip here and there. So enough chit chatting. I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy the video. Bye, y'all.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find it. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
You see my bitch, say she hot bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been calling my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Go, baby, at last to my body, so the greatest thing. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. Listen. I'm losing weight. I'm chilling on the west side. Come on home, go tell your best friend. On the road, no cash. I don't see you fading. You should come tonight. Only kick your legs. Cause I'm trying to be close to you. Almost missing my flight today.
Tell me why you're crying, I couldn't pick you. When you gave me something I don't really feel. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now about what you do me clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. When you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Turn around, run away as a rebel comes down. Then you fall on me when you call me I come, and then you go again. With your deaf girl, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering of fire. Running away from the darkness of my bed, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel it. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on, then fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I've been up, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been up, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep seizing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
Hey you guys, so this is the end of this video. This is the hair. Like, let's get into it. The curls came out really good. This hair is really nice. Like, I was debating if I should really continue this video. I'm not even gonna hold you, but I love the result. Like, I am feeling this hairstyle, honey. Don't play with her, don't play with her. I look like a change woman, okay? Anyways, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a like and comment down below. Let me know what videos you guys want me to post. Give me an idea. I'm down and I'm open to ideas and any collaboration. Well, not any collaboration, because I had somebody that DM me one time. Like, they're like, oh, I'm not saying who it is, but they're like, they want to do a collab and you shake some ass on me, we make a video. I'm not doing it, so don't even ask. But anyways, I added some edges because I feel like this hair just came out so good, y'all. I don't know if I'll ever wear a different. Well, one hairstyle I want to try is a side part but with bangs. We're gonna try that next. But anyways, this is the end of this video. Follow my Instagram and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.